This is Brian Resnick. It's question and answer day. And one of the questions, again, I keep getting a lot and often is about oil prices and oil investments and what's called a master limited partnership. These are pipeline type distributors that pay high dividends. Unfortunately, folks, oil prices are not probably going to go up anytime soon. So if you own a lot of oil investments, you're probably not going to be a happy camper. I can tell you for at least 3 years, I've been warning people on my TV and radio show, avoid oil investments, whether it's ExxonMobil, other investments in the master limited partnership arena, and so on. Oil prices are low, and they're probably going to stay low or even go lower because we are becoming energy independent. I've had numerous new accounts that have either talked to my firm or hired us that were oversaturated in investments that paid high dividends because their broker or so-called advisor, their Wall Street firm, sold them this stuff and said, oh, these are good for dividend. Folks, the dividends can be cut and the prices can go down. You always want to look at what's called total return on your portfolio. We look at all these geopolitical events that have gone on in the last 12 months alone, let's say North Korea, and what did oil prices do? They're essentially flat. 10 years ago, before our new administration, you probably would have seen higher oil prices, but we're becoming energy independent. We're not dependent on foreign oil. In fact, we're shipping oil and we're shipping liquefied natural gas, LNG, in record numbers, and it's only going to increase. What that does, folks, no geopolitical events on the oil side, at least for us. Energy prices low, oil investments garbage. Look at your portfolio. If there's something that needs to be sold, it needs to be sold. Unfortunately, most investors really don't have a buy strategy or any strategy, and most investors have no sell strategy. I can tell you at my firm, that's not acceptable. We know what we need to buy, we have a discipline, and we know when we need to sell. Without a sell strategy, you set yourself up for massive losses in your portfolio. Think about the next recession. What's your sell strategy? If you don't have one now, you're not going to have one then. And your advisor, if they don't have one and you're a buy and hold asset allocation, unfortunately, you're going to have the wrath of big losses in your portfolio. That's a major mistake. If you're not a client of our firm, give us a call. It's time you became a client. Set it and forget it is not an investment strategy. Let your money ride like at Vegas. Again, not a strategy you should deploy with your money. Have yourself a safe and profitable day.